Hello, I'm Dr. Musa from Excel Laser Vision Institute, and over the many years of performing LASIK eye surgery, I've had many experiences with patients that have had a wonderful and life-altering experience from the surgery itself. But today I'd like to share one in particular with you, of a young lady who came in with some severely nearsighted eyes, and to the point where her contact lenses and glasses would not correct a better than 20/40 vision. Now, this case is really highlighted by the fact that I had to have a very difficult discussion with both this young lady and her dad, explaining the limitations of what her true visual potential would be, in this case 20/40. And we set up expectations that were reasonable to what her true potential of vision is. And we proceeded with performing the surgery, and I was so thrilled for her when we exceeded her expectations. And the exciting thing was, she actually ended up with 20/20 vision, which is unheard of. And it was so tremendously exciting because both this young lady and her dad were so emotional the next day that it really touched my heart. And it was one of the most satisfying experiences I've had performing LASIK eye surgery. I've had many more just like that, and many to think of, and this has made me enjoy my career all the much more. And I thank each and every one of those patients and everyone that has trusted me to perform their LASIK eye surgery. Once again, Dr. Musa from Excel Laser Vision Institute. Thank you for having me.